Honorable Chairman, Mr. Javed Iqbal Krai Park, esteemed Principal, Mr. Muhammad Iqbal Kalam, respectful judges, worthy teachers and all my dear audience. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Samya Banu, a student of class 10th from Al Hilal Educational Institute, Kishtwar. Today I have a privilege of sharing my thoughts on thought-provoking topic, that is, evil triumphs when good people do nothing. Today, I am not here to ask for your applause. I am not here even to deliver a speech. I am here to put every one of us, including myself, on trial. Let me ask you one question. Who is responsible when evil wins? Is it the person who commits the crime, or the hundreds who stand there watching, knowing, understanding, yet choosing to remain silent? Think carefully, because before you answer, I want to share something. अंधेरों से शिकायत कैसी जब चिराग ही बुझ गए, अंधेरों से शिकायत कैसी जब चिराग ही बुझ गए, जुल्म से गिला कैसा कि जुल्म से गिला कैसा जब सच कहने वाले ही चुप हो गए. These are not just a beautiful lines, they are a painful reality. We spend our lives asking, why is injustice increasing? Why has humanity become so weak? Why do bad people seem to be winning? But perhaps we have been asking the wrong questions. Do you know what the real question we should ask? The real question we should ask is, where were the good people? Many of us will be thinking, because evil is loud, so goodness has become silent. My dear audience, believe me, silence has never protected the innocent. It has only protected injustice. My dear audience, we often believe that courage means doing something extraordinary. No. Sometimes courage is simply saying one word. Stop. One word that can save someone's dignity. One voice that can silence 100 wrong voices. One step that can change someone's life forever. But sadly, most of us don't take that step. Not because we support injustice, but because we convince ourselves someone else will help. And that is exactly where evil begins to win. Evil does not become powerful when bad people become stronger. I repeat, evil does not become powerful when bad people become stronger. It becomes powerful when good people become quieter. My dear audience, listen carefully. Let me tell you about something that happened in real life. In 1964, a young woman named Kitty cried for help outside her apartment in New York. Many people heard her. Many people looked from their window. Yet very few came forward immediately. Why? Were they all heartless? No, psychologists later called it the bystander effect. Everyone believed someone else will help. And because everyone thought that way, no one acted. Isn't that frightening? Not because evil is existed, but because goodness remained silent. My dear audience, now you may think that it happens years ago in another country. But let me tell you about something. Has it really changed? A student is bullied in classroom. Someone is insulted because of their appearance. Someone is mocked because they are poor. Someone is harassed in public. And what do? Too often we stay silent. We don't always join the wrong, but we quietly become its audience. In Urdu, there is a saying, सच बोलने की हिम्मत ना हो तो खामोशी भी जुर्म है. सच बोलने की हिम्मत ना हो तो खामोशी भी जुर्म है. जब जुल्म आम हो जाए तो चुप रहना भी जुल्म है. Because when we choose silence, our silence sounds like approval. My dear audience, never thought that your voice is too small. History has never changed because millions spoke together. It changed because one person had courage to speak first. One voice says, this is wrong. A second voice joined and a third, and before long, silence is defeated. Today, I'm not asking you to become superheroes. I'm not asking you to fight every battle. I'm asking you something much simpler. When you see injustice, don't look away. When someone needs help, don't wait for someone else. Whenever truth needs a voice, be that voice. Because sometimes the smallest act of courage becomes the biggest act of humanity. Before I conclude, I don't want you to remember my speech. I don't even want you to remember my name. I want you to remember one question. The next time you witness someone is being humiliated, the next time you see someone is crying silently, the next time you see injustice standing right before your eyes, what will you do? Will you become another silent spectator, or will you become a voice that someone was desperately waiting for? Because remember, जो चुप रहा जुल्म के मंजर पर वो भी गुनहगार होता है. जो चुप रहा जुल्म के मंजर पर वो भी गुनहगार होता है. सिर्फ तीर चलाने वाला ही नहीं, सिर्फ तीर चलाने वाला ही नहीं, खामोश तमाशाई भी जिम्मेदार होता है. At last, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our respected chairman, principal and all managing staff for organizing this wonderful program. A special thanks to my trainer Mansoor sir for his guidance and support. I also thank all the teachers and audience for being here. Thank you everyone.